Good morning. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2026. I am here at Comanche Cove, and this is a inspection video for Sigrun. We had an incident near the boat that we wanted to make sure there was no damage to the port side. So I'm going to go ahead and swim the whole length of the port side and see if there's any damage. When I was cleaning it, I didn't notice anything, but maybe I might notice, or we might notice something on the way back. So I didn't see any damage. I'm going to go ahead and send this video over to Dane and see if he might see anything that I don't see. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.